Hello everyone, this is Quinn from Power Admin. Today I'd like to show you how to set up some monitoring for your antivirus. More specifically, I want to be able to alert when the antivirus service is not running or in a bad state, and also if the pattern file is out of date. So we need two monitors to be able to do that. We need to have the inventory collector monitor, which will collect all of the data and the information from the antivirus. And then we also need to have an inventory alerter. So let's go to our server here. And as you can see, we have an inventory collector. And it's really important to make sure that we have the system details program, the second, and we want to leave it unchecked. You check those to disable those features in the monitor. So once we have that monitor and it's running, we need to add the inventory alerter. So let's go ahead and right click on the server and say add new monitor. And then we're going to scroll down to the inventory alerter, select that one. And we're presented with the menu for this. And we're going to set up a few rules. So the first rule that we want to add is on the pattern date. So let's go ahead and select the antivirus pattern file date. We'll say OK. And we want to set that, if that is less than 2 days, I want to be alerted. So we'll set that to 2 days here. Say OK. So we can see that current day minus 2 days. Okay, so now we're going to add our second rule. So we'll click on the plus button and let's go select the antivirus status. And so we want to be able to know if it's anything other than running. So we'll do the operator here of not equal to, and we'll type in the word running. And we'll save that. So now we have the rules for when we get alerts. Now we want to add what pieces of information we want to get in the alert when it's fired. So I want to go ahead and select all of the antivirus information that we collect. So we know the pattern, the date, the product, and the current status and the version of the antivirus on this server. And so let's go ahead and add our actions. And we're going to do immediately. We'll send an email. And then after that, every 12 hours, we'll do another email. And then we also have to have an email for the resolve. So I'll put that in there. So that's our actions that we have. So we'll say OK on that. And we want to check the scheduling for this. Now this is really important here. We want to be able to link this monitor, this inventory alerter monitor, to the inventory collector for the same server. And as you can see, it already comes up that way. But if it doesn't, you want to click on linked and then go in here and find the monitor. It'll have the server name and the name of the monitor, and we'll say linked. And what that will do is when the monitor, the inventory collector monitor runs, once it's finished, the inventory alerter monitor will be kicked off and it will run. So we made our changes. Let's go ahead and say OK. And that's it. Okay, so once we have our monitors added to the server, we're good to go. If there's anything you need, please refer to our documentation online. And thank you and have a great day.